So in recent updates, Apple has actually improved on so many things, and in this video I'm going to share with you some new updates they made or changes they made for airdrops on iPhones. So right now, when you are actually sending a file from your iPhone to another iPhone, or from your iPhone to your iPad, or from an iPhone to your MacBook, you can actually use a wired cable to transfer the files in between. And when doing that, you're actually going to see a notification stating that you are using a wired transfer right now, and it's actually going to speed up the transfer. And basically, I'm going to show you how it looks like when you do this transfer. So before you do the transfer, you can either connect the phone directly to the cable like this, and then also connect it to the other device. If it's a phone, iPad, or a MacBook, you do it right away. Or you can choose to leave it, and then when you initiate the transfer, then you later connect the cable. So we are going to do it that way. I'm going to initiate the transfer on my MacBook, and then I'm just going to accept it right here, and then I just connect my cable, and you guys are going to see the notification. Or when you swipe down this way, you're going to see that it changes, and then this is actually going to speed up the transfer. So you can see right here we have using wired connection. So that is how it's going to look like, and you're going to get your transfer done directly. So this is actually going to help you so much that in case you are transferring a large file, maybe 5 gigs, 12 gigs, the gigabytes, you can just use the cable, and it's actually going to speed up the transfer. And like I stated earlier, it's not any cable that actually supports this fast transfer, so you need to get a cable, or if you have a cable from a very good source, you can use it right away in your transfer. If you don't have to, you can check the video in my description. I'm going to leave a video right there for this cable I'm using right here. It's very, very fast, and you guys will just gonna get it for your iPhone. All right, so if this video was very helpful, don't forget to like it up and also share with your friends, and try this out. And if it works, just come back and state in the comment section that it worked for you. And without further ado, I'm just gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.